We're open 24/7 here at ST's Garage. STD Garage. What'd you do?
Is that recording?
Yes. Don't say anything racist. You farted. That's okay. You can say that on the camera.
No, I wanted to call him a name. He's
Please.
a stanky whore.
That's still okay. You dank whore.
He's a stanky whore.
Oh, stank whore. I thought you said dank whore. You danky, stanky. Thingamajangy. I don't even know what to say. Just make sure you rev it up really hard before you drop the hammer. It's a neutral drop.
No.
We can fix it.
No, we can't.
I have a crescent wrench and duct tape. You got 2 seconds. Oh, you spun the tires.